In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove phone number from TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok application and now hit there on your profile. And on that step, tap on three lines icon and select Settings and Privacy. So once you are on Settings and Privacy, scroll all the way down until you find Report a Problem. Now there hit Account and Profile. After that, tap on Email and Phone Number and there scroll down and select Unlink Email or Phone Number. So now there you got some information and there you can hit no, and now tap on Need More Help to be able to create your support ticket, and there you can describe your situation, like you can write there that you don't have access to your old phone number and you want to unlink them from your TikTok profile, and then support team may ask you some questions. It can be different questions to verify that you is the owner of that TikTok account, and then you will be able to send them your new phone number so they will unlink your old number and link your current phone number. So now you know how to remove old phone number from TikTok, so make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.